In this video, you'll learn how to access and use the internal email in Desire2Learn. To get to the email inbox, click the envelope button in the minibar. Then click the Go to Email link. This is your email inbox. You can set the settings for your email by clicking the settings link in the upper right. There are many settings for you to look through and choose from. One setting that has helped many people view their email better is to uncheck the Show the Message Preview pane option. Also, if you'll be leaving the forward to your Washburn email turned on, I would suggest changing the forward options to mark the emails as read after they've been forwarded. Many people have found this helps keep confusion down. After you are finished in settings, click the Save button. Like most other email programs, to read a message, click on the subject. When reading the message, you have the option to reply, reply all, forward, move it to another folder, flag it, or there are more options in the More Actions button. From here, you can mark it as unread, change which course it is associated with, or delete it. When you access email from a course, it will automatically be filtered for that course. Desire2Learn can only automatically filter your messages when you send them from within the system. When a message is received from an outside email address, like when a student replies to a class email that arrived in their Washburn email due to forwards, or the instructor directly sending the message to the Washburn email, the system can no longer tell which course it is supposed to be associated with and will be filtered into a filter called All Messages or No Course Association. You can change the filter by using the Filter By drop-down menu and selecting the filter you want. You can write messages from here, but writing through the class list tool is much easier. See the training video for the class list for more information. To write a message, click the Compose button. To add people to the message, you can either type email addresses into the To field or click the Address Book button. And filter which people you see or search for a specific name. Be very careful about who is currently being listed. You can easily send messages out to people you don't intend to if the filter by is set to the wrong thing. Make sure it is set to the course you are wanting to communicate with. When you search or filter, the results show up at the bottom of the page. There you will see the people's names, email addresses, and what type of email address it is. I'm only seeing internal email because I chose that setting in my email settings. You may want to set that option if you don't want to always send emails to both internal and external email addresses. Students do not have the ability to see external email addresses. If I want to send a message to the whole list, I can check the Select All box, and then select the link for either To, CC, or BCC to add the names to the corresponding field. After you have added everyone you want from the address book, click the Add Recipients button. You will have the fields to enter a subject line, message, and, at the bottom, set the priority level and add attachments. You can save messages for later using the Save as Draft button. When your message is ready, click the Send button. You can add more folders by clicking the Folder Management button. Then click the New Folder button. You can create folders for either messages or contacts. Give the folder a name. If you'd like the folders to nest inside each other, you can select a parent folder. When you're done setting up the folder, click the Save button. To rearrange the folders, click the down arrow next to a folder and select Reorder. Then check the box next to the folder you want to reorder and click the arrows to move it up or down. When you're done reordering the folder, click the Save button. To return to your messages, click the Message List or the Inbox link. If you notice the folders haven't been rearranged, click the Refresh button to see the change. Those are the basics of email in Desire2Learn.